To open the Ford Explorer key fob, start by gathering your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid damaging the housing. Lay out your workspace on a soft towel to protect the key fob and prevent small parts from rolling away. Gently insert the tool into the seam of the key fob. The seam is the small gap between the two plastic halves. Twist or pry carefully to separate the two halves. Apply gentle pressure and work around the edges. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic housing or internal components. Take your time, especially for 2018-2022 models that may have cracking issues. For 2011 and newer models, the process is generally the same, but always refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions. Identify the CR2032 coin cell battery inside the fob. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side usually faces up. Use the small screwdriver or your fingernail to gently remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Ford Explorer. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the internal components are properly aligned. Recycle the old battery responsibly. It can contribute to household hazardous waste. If issues persist, consider backing up and resetting key fob programming via your vehicle's app.